Topic today is how to draw brachial plexus in easy way, step by step. So let's get started. First of all, you have to draw two vertical lines parallel to each other. So here we go. First and second vertical line. So this would be lateral thoracic nerve. And now all we need is to draw three parallel lines, but not straight, three parallel to each other and curve like shoulder. So first line is here, and at the end we have to draw this like that, and this is first line. Make sure to make two roots for that. First is go upward and second one is going to downward, and connect it with lateral thoracic nerve. Now second parallel line, which is middle parallel line, here. That's it. And third one should also be parallel to both of them. So here, and it should also have two roots. You have to make sure that first and last one have two roots. So here, total 5 roots, 1 2 3 4 and 5, from C5 to C8, 5 6 7 8, and then last one is thoracic 1, cervical 5 to cervical 8, and then thoracic 1. So this is the first step: vertical line, three parallel line, and with 5 root. Now second step is to draw cross lines, cross connections. So first we are going to make a V-shaped connection here. Okay, so this is first connection and then second connection here. So it should be like this, first and second. So this is second step. Now for third step, I am giving you shortcut. It is 2 4 and 3. So this is for the branches. So for 2 4 and 3, so those three numbers are for those three lines: first for first, second for second, and third for third line. So first number is 2, so we have to draw two branches for this now. First on left side and second on right side. Second number is 4, so we have to draw 4 branches for middle node. One is on left side and another 3 on right side here. 1 2 and 3. Okay, now number 3 is for third one. One is from left side, another is for right side, another 2 is for right side. So that's it, third step. And it is not only including branches, but we have to draw chords. So here it's just a simple step for drawing two chords. So that's it. This is our brachial plexus. With practice you can draw brachial plexus within less than minute, I think. And yes, some major nomenclatures like these are our branches, these are chords, and these are divisions. V-shape. Yes, I just forget to draw another division, which is go beneath these V-shaped divisions, from beneath, and this is above. So V-shaped division is about this Benese division. So these are the 5 roots, and these are trunks. 1, 2, 3. I'm not talking about these branches, but the plan. 3 trunks. Then divisions. So these are divisions. Then chords are those 3 without branches. 1, 2 and 3 chords. Then this is branches. These are our branches. 2, 4 and 3 are branches. For detailed nomenclature, I will put a diagram at the end of the video. Make sure to watch that, and do share this video, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.